Right, I'm just back to explain in a diagram what phasing actually means. When we have more than one transformer in circuits or parallel circuits. So with alternating current, this is our timeline, right? So we have 0 volts here, and up here, in the case of Märklin, normal train, so these should be equal. So we've got plus 16 volts and minus 16 volts. And 1 hertz is that long, and this happens 50 times per second. So that's super quick, right? And it averages out to give you 16 volts. So when you have a second transformer, it means that, I'll just draw that again. This is 0 volt. The second transformer, at the very same point in time, when it's in phase, will do the same thing. And then that repeats again and again. However, if the second transformer is out of phase, then this is inverted like this. So essentially what happens is that 0 goes down to here and the waves add together. So we actually end up with very odd things happening. Now, another point with multiple transformers, so we've got T1 over here and T2, transformer 2, and we've got the terminals of 0 and B. So B, barn, railway, it's the center rail of the track. O for 0 is the common return, and on Märklin systems that is the road bed. So with the metal track, it's the entire road bed, the track, all accessories will return through that path. And you can connect as many transformers like that as you like, as long as they're phased correctly. However, the B or the L side, which is the 16 volt constant, put the L there, you never ever connect these. So they have to have their own circuits. So let's say that's a light bulb. The light power goes out here through the light bulb and back there, and you connect a light bulb to this transformer and then to the ground. So you've got the circuit happening here and it's not affecting anything else. However, if you were to connect this L or the B to this L, what you're basically doing is you take the mains voltage down to 16 volts on this one, and then you're connecting the secondary coils together. So this secondary coil is exciting this secondary coil, which in turn is transforming through the primary coil on this side back up to full mains voltage. Whoops, sorry. So on the plug at the end here, you have mains voltage with this setup, so don't do that. Okay, there you go. Märklin 101.